Majority of what we learn throughout our lifetime comes to us through our eyes. Good and healthy vision is a priceless possession. Sun is the source of all forms of energy. It drives everything that happens around us, and each minute of our very existence is due to the sun. We shall offer our salutations to Sun God, the Surya Bhagavan.
भास्कराय विद्महे महद्वितिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात्।
Namaste, welcome to Karthik Nethralaya.
Karthik Nethralaya has excelled into a premier daycare surgical hospital, a pioneer in very high standard diagnostic eye care center. We care for quality. We care to meet your expectations. We care with reliability. We care with trust. Karthik Nethralaya stands out in the healthcare industry as a finest eye care provider. Eco-friendly, Vastu-compliant building. Ample car parking in the basement, comfortably designed for handicapped guests from entry to exit. Well-equipped procedure rooms with pleasing ambience. Buffer stock of medicines and consumables in a scientifically maintained storeroom. A well-managed patient's record system with records since 2003. Fire hazard suppression systems. Advanced water filtration plant ensures safe water supply. Karthik Nethralaya, headed by a well-known eye surgeon, Dr. M.S. Ravindra.
Today, Karthik Nethralaya offers the best of eye care facilities, whether it is single speciality or multi-speciality, in any aspect of ophthalmic care.
A professionally committed person with a compassionate heart, known for perfection and innovation.
Hello, Karthik Nethralaya. May I help you?
Karthik Nethralaya, designed to deliver the highest standard of eye care practice to the patients.
OPD at Karthik Nethralaya is equipped with the most sophisticated equipments. For every examination, the doctor is provided with a slit lamp biomicroscope, which is basically an illumination with a magnification and gives in-depth detailed picture of the entire eye. It is also equipped with an indirect ophthalmoscope, which is used to examine the retina or the posterior or the back portion of the eye, which is of great importance in patients who have diabetic retinopathy, hypertensive retinopathy, and high minus powers.
sides, I would like to commend and compliment the efforts of the team led by Dr. Ravindra and Karthik Nethralaya in addressing issues pertaining to eye care.
It strongly believes that the nature-friendly environment has to be in place to create positive energy around us. It joins hands to recreate this atmosphere through solar panels, rainwater harvesting, focal air conditioning, power-saving T20 lighting, recycling of anything and everything that is possible, avoidance of lead, formaldehyde and asbestos, use of safe plywood. The clinical departments are fully HIS integrated with tremendous reduction in paper consumption. Cleanliness is given most importance. Chemicals are used to the barest minimum. Medical and general waste disposal are scientific and ecological.
Today we offer genuine service to the patients. We have got enormous goodwill from our clientele that we offer the correct advice to the patients.
Through highly qualified and dedicated staff, together with a state-of-art facility, it has achieved a remarkable progress in eye care services. The journey towards healthcare began in 1980 at a small building in north of Bangalore. It has pioneered in IOL implantation since 1982 and vision correction surgeries since 1986. In 2005, incorporated as a private limited company. Soon evolved into modern tertiary eye care center and built a spacious ultra-modern eye care hospital at NR Colony, close to Basvanagudi, BMS College and South End Circle. Inaugurated by Shri 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 Dr. Shiv Kumara Swamiji of Siddhaganga Mutt and His Holiness Jagadguru Shri Shivaratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji on May 1st, 2010. Karthik Nethralaya Super Speciality Eye Care Hospital has the vision to offer vision to people within the range of accessibility, availability and affordability, with many first to its credits. Karthik Nethralaya specialized in cataract, cornea, glaucoma, LASIK laser vision correction, pediatric eye care, squint retina, diabetic retinopathy, cosmetic Botox.
Our department offers state-of-the-art technology, diagnosis and treatment for corneal diseases, and also offer refractive treatments. One of the most common problem faced by our corporate youth today is dryness or computer vision syndrome. We in our hospital provide all the facilities for diagnosis, analyze the situation and also give ergonomic advices. So our hospital is recognized by the government of Karnataka to perform corneal grafting. This is a type of transplant where we harvest tissue from the donor dead, prepare it and transplant it so that the patient gets back his vision.
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಬಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬರಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Eye donation is possibly one of the best things that an individual can do during his lifetime. And by doing that, you can give sight to many underprivileged and unprivileged people in this country, whose number is a very large number, alarming numbers.
The four pillars of Karthik Nethralaya are cleanliness, reliability, transparency, honesty, and ethical practice. The beneficiary is the only one, the patient. We exist because of our patient and not otherwise.
2 years back, 2011, I got my right eye done, and today my left eye done. I stay in Visakhapatnam, but I came all the way from there to get my surgery done because the service done in this hospital is very, very good.
Cataract is the commonest disease that is there, which causes blindness and which can be preventable. Cataract surgery is a very precision surgery. Many people think that it's a surgery wherein surgeon just removes a layer. No, it's a very highly precision surgery. It needs a lot of gadgets, a lot of equipment, and it should not be taken lightly.
For patients, they offer specialty clinics, microsurgeries, and finest laser facilities. All are available under one roof. The specialty of Karthik Netralaya is no injection, no stitch, no bandage, and no pain technique makes the modern cataract operation as walk-in, walk-out surgery.
What is nice about this hospital is that no injections, anything, they just put drops and do the surgery. And no pain at all after the surgery.
Operation theatre in Karthik Netralaya is built to the international standards. It's totally bio-clean, and it falls under the category wherein even 0.3 micron dust particles are eliminated completely from the operation theatre. Makes the surgeries extremely safe. And we have very strict protocols for cleaning the instruments. One of the beautiest, which is not seen in many hospitals, there are only few hospitals in the country, wherein everything that's used for one patient is eliminated, taken out, and fresh instruments from a horizontal autoclave come into the next surgery. It's totally isolated. This is something which is unique of our operation theatre.
Karthik Netralaya has taken significant steps to ensure that the focus is on the personal and selfless service to patients with genuine and humble care. Everyone in Karthik Netralaya understands that these values stand higher than mere use of machines, technology, and treatment. Deepthi Opticals is an association of Karthik Netralaya supplying quality optical products and services for 30 years.
We are tied up with major TPA companies and insurance sectors like MediAssist, Star Health Insurance, and TTK, to name a few. We are also empaneled with public sector units like BHEL, BSNL, BEL, and also the major banking sectors like RBI, SBI, etc. Karthik Netralaya caters to the medical needs of the patients irrespective of the background they come from. We are associated with major state and central government schemes like CGHS, Yashaswini, ESI, etc.
Karthik Netralaya achievements are teaching professional colleagues at CMEs and conferences all over the country and overseas, performed live video relay surgeries in many teaching programs, developed and refined numerous techniques in various eye surgeries, an extremely safe and ultra-modern sutureless cataract surgery, modern glaucoma surgery, LASIK surgery with thin flaps, advanced surface ablation for safest vision corrections, community services. Netra Jyoti Foundation is a sister organization serving the humanity. It is a charitable trust with 80G tax exemptions to receive donations. It is dedicated to promote eye health awareness in the society and conduct blindness prevention and treatment activities for socially and economically underprivileged. Also, it organizes free eye camps, awareness camps in schools and public places, seminars for CNAs. Karthik Netralaya has a vision. Karthik Netralaya has a mission to emphasize on the board of directors have won many awards. Distinguished Service Award by Asia Pacific Society, Netra Vaidya Ratna, Karnataka Shrestha Manava Ratna Shri, Professor T. Gopinath Menon Gold Medal Oration Award, Dr. M. Joshi Oration Award from Deccan Ophthalmic Association, Dr. Vinod Arora Oration Award from Uttaranchal Ophthalmic Society, Dr. P.N. Srinivasa Rao Memorial Oration Award. MSR conducted the unique Festival of Small Incision Cataract Surgery.
Karthik Netralaya is known for its genuine advice that it gives to the patients and the honest clinical practice we have been practicing for 3 decades, and this has earned us enormous amount of goodwill.
Karthik Netralaya is fantastic.
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ನೇತ್ರಾಲಯ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
I like Karthik Netralaya.
I like Karthika Netralaya.
Karthik Netralaya is fantastic.
The dynamic infrastructure of the Karthik Netralaya, combined with advanced technology and global expertise team, is always ready to serve you.
Almost for the past 20 years, my eye care has been totally taken care of by Dr. Ravindra and his team.
Your eyes are safe in the hands of Karthik Netralaya.